The last 4 questions for the quiz number 2, part D.4. Yeah. Question number 7. We want to apply some special style on a group of selected elements of various element types. Not one type, several different element types. Yeah. Which of the following CSS selectors should we use? Yeah. This one pretty simple. Yeah. Element selectors. If you use element selector, only one type. Yeah. Only one element type. Right? Yeah. But here various, several, more than one. Yeah. So it should not be the first one. ID, only one. Only one element. Right? We know ID should be unique. Supposed to be unique, right? Yeah. But there is a possibility some careless people may put more than one elements using the same ID. That could happen. Yeah. If you use some good IDE, that error will be marked with some error symbol notation. You will see it. Yeah. All right, supposed to be unique. Yeah. So only here we just treat only one element. Yeah. All right, a group of select. So the only possibility, the class selector. Class. Yeah. Any elements using the same class name, same class. Yeah. Can be selected. Yeah. So that's what we need. Yeah. Question number 8. Yeah. Which of the following CSS size units is the smallest? Yeah. So here you need to know just one critical information. You can answer this question. That is 1 inch equals 96 pixels. Also equals 72 point unit. So that's the relationship. Then you can see 1px equals 196 inch and 1 point equals 1/72 inch. Right? Yeah. So other things you can see, EM, CM should be greater than pixel or PT. So we only compare these two, and we know 1/96, this one smaller, right? Yeah. So we can, from the fraction number, yeah, we can see, yeah, better, yeah. But here, because since we talk about this question, yeah, here I want to just review a little bit, yeah. In these units, 4 of them, they are absolute units. Absolute units. That means these units, if you use them in any computer, anywhere, any computer, any devices, any screen devices, sizes, display devices, any display devices, all these 4 units, same. So 1 pixel anywhere, same size. 1 cm anywhere, same size. 1 inch anywhere, same size. But only the EM one, this one, EM one, relative unit. Relative unit. Yeah. That means for different screen sizes, EM will be different. It's relative to the current screen size More specifically, when you choose the default font, you display capital M, the height of the capital M, that is height of the capital M default font, that is the EM unit. Here you can see for bigger screen sizes, that height will be larger, right? For very small screen size, that height will be very, very small. So for that reason, because this relative unit, in some situation, you like to use it because you design a special page arrangement or layout, some nice layout. Now you want to make that layout look almost the same on all display devices. In that situation, you may like to consider this EM unit. All right, so number 9, in order to hide an element in an HTML document, which of the following CSS properties should not be used? 2 of the 3, you can use them to hide an element. But the third one, you cannot. All right. The display property, there are 2 values related to this feature. One is the block value. When you see the block value, it's visible. You can see it. But also, it is used as a block element. Then another is non-value. When you set the display value to none for any element, that element will disappear. You cannot see it. It's gone. So that is what you may like to implement that feature. All right. The visibility, hide, hidden. If it is hidden, then not visible, right? Otherwise, visible, right? Hidden or visible, right? So here, now, you can see, you can use this hidden value to hide it. How about that? Hidden value to hide it. All right. This view, I made it. So I just want to use some name to get you confused. So, and this one, we don't have that. So answer is this. Answer is this. Because not used, right? Should not be used. The first 2 could be used to get this feature. But you may ask, what's the difference of the first 2, right? I talk about that in the notes. So what is the difference? The difference is, so from the value, from these 2 key values, you can see, it tells you the difference, none and hidden. All right. None, from the meaning of none, the element, no element. The element looks like nothing. So that tells you the hidden way. The hidden way corresponds to that none. That element is removed. So that means it does not occupy any space. That's simple. But hidden, you just hide it. You do not remove completely. Yeah, it's invisible, but it still occupies that space. Yeah, that's the main difference. So it still occupies that same amount of space, that space. That's the main difference. All right, right? Yep. But, so there is another related feature related to this one. Yeah. If you watch the jQuery video, you know it. So that feature in jQuery, dollar, yeah, some selector. Yeah, you put appropriate selector. Okay, yeah. Here, I hope you understand the meaning of certain selector. So here I do not specify. All right, but there is a hide method you can call. Yeah, when you call that selected element is not visible. It's not visible. All right. Here I may give you one question if you like to investigate. So this way, similar to which one? The hidden value or non-value. So which case has the same behavior as this one? How about that? Yeah. So if you are interested, you can do investigation. Yeah. Otherwise, if I have a chance, I will talk about that. All right. So that's question number 9. Now, finally, the last question, overlapping elements. Are we allowed to do overlapping elements? Answer is yes, but you should know how to do it, right? You should know how to do it. Yeah. So that is use the property z dash index. Okay, that's the property name. For property value, just some integer number. Yeah. You can use negative number, 0, 1, 2. The larger the number, the element with larger z dash index number will be put on top, in front. Yeah. Front, back, front. Yeah. All right. So here, let's draw diagram like that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Top. All right. So let's assume z dash index 2, 1, 0, and the bottom negative 1. Yeah. Things like that. Okay. Facing to you. Facing top means facing to the users. Yeah. Viewers. All right. So that's all the 10 questions we complete in video part D. All right, so let's stop right here.